In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set your username in the Telegram app step by step. This is really useful if you want people to find you more easily, share your Telegram profile, or create a more professional presence on the app. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer. Once the app is open, look at the top left corner of the screen and click the hamburger icon, which is the three horizontal lines. This opens the main menu where you can access your account settings and profile options. From the menu, click on My Profile. This will take you to your Telegram profile page, where you can view and edit your personal account details. On this screen, you'll see your current profile information, and now we need to make a small change. Look at the top right corner and click the pencil icon. This is the edit button, and it lets you update your profile information. After clicking it, you'll see the profile editing page with different fields you can adjust. Now click on Username. This is the field where you can create your public Telegram username. Your username is what other people can use to search for you and message you, so it's important to choose something simple and easy to remember. Type in the username you want to use. As you type, Telegram will check whether the username is available. If it is available, you'll see a message confirming that it can be used. If it's already taken, you'll need to try a different one until you find an available option. Once you've entered an available username, click Save to confirm the changes. Telegram will update your profile right away, and your new username will now be active. And that's it, you've successfully set your username in Telegram desktop. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference in how easily people can find and contact you. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.